Good afternoon, bird family. This is Birdman on campus coming at you live from Carolina Beach, North Carolina, where we find ourselves amongst a gaggle of seagulls. I believe someone is above throwing down bread for them to eat. But that's all right with us because we enjoy having the birds around. Harper Kate, what do you think about these seagulls? You'll see them flying around in a figure 8 pattern as they try to hunt for food.
I'll give them some food.
Oh, thank you, baby girl. Yes, sirree. These are some lovely seagulls, and we're glad to see them today. I'm sure we'll see more of them on our trip. But until then, this is Birdman on campus. We'll talk to you later.